Hello everyone, my first video, don't mind me if I seem nervous. Doing some makeup today. I don't normally put makeup on every day, but I'm trying to practice, so without any further ado, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start. So anyway, I'm gonna apply my foundation. Still waiting on my pharmacy order to come in. I can't wait, I'm so excited. And I'm just gonna wait for that, but in the meantime I'm gonna use what I have on hand. This was given to me by my niece in Florida, Amy. Love you, Amy. She gave this to me when I visited, and I've been using it because it's like the best foundation that I have. I don't know what it's called. It's Ofra Absolute Cover. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just gonna blend my foundation in like this. I try to get all of the spots that I can. Try to make sure that I cover everything. I have a lot of red spots on my face, which I'm trying to work to get rid of. Very hard to do. I have an acne issue, which seems to never want to go away, even as an adult, which really sucks. So I've ordered some products that hopefully will be able to help me with that, and they should be here within the next couple of weeks. So, I just use the stuff I have in the meantime. Right now I'm just using on my face Dove soap. I'm not sure if that's like harsh for my face. Anyway, as I blend my foundation, I always blend down my neck so that my face doesn't look like I have a lot of lines or discolored lines going across my chin. I always blend over my ears to blend in as much as I can, as I always wear my hair in this ponytail. I do not like to wear my hair down, so. And my eyebrows really need to be done. So ignore my eyebrows. I haven't had them done like in a while. So, all right. And the next thing I do after that is I apply my mascara. I'm actually using my Pharmacy Zen. Good stuff, guys. Telling you. I don't have my other mascara yet. I've ordered a couple, Extreme Curl and Starlook, I believe. So, but this one has a nice brush on it. It's a bendy brush, see? And it's got the really thin, I don't know if you could see it, but the really thin spikes on it. Makes my eyelashes spread apart easier. I like that. So, I'm going to apply that. To the top lashes on both sides. Get my bangs out of the way. Okay. All right. Make sure it's even. All right, see? That's the top. Now I have to do the bottom. It doesn't really take me a long time to do the mascara. I'm usually pretty good at it, unless I'm using the other stuff I have in my car, in my bag. My other stuff in my bag is terrible. I don't like using that if I don't have to. And ever since I've got the Zen, I've been using this one. Awesome mascara. Can't wait to get my others so I can try them. Okay. Now that's done. While that dries, I'm going to put on my powder. And I use this cheap Dollar Tree stuff. Yes, I do. Because I usually don't like to pay a lot for makeup. And this stuff here is as cheap as it gets, people. So just put the powder on my face just to, you see I can't wait to get my Botox in a box is what I heard someone say. Supposedly it takes away all the lines, like your crow's feet and your bags under your eyes. It can help the wrinkles in your forehead, your wrinkles on the sides of your face. So I'm waiting on that so that I can start using that. Maybe I could see some changes in my bags under my eyes. I always apply powder to the tops of my eyelids too, because it just makes my whole face match this color. All right, so that's that. Now next I will do my eyebrows, even though they look a whole hot mess. I have an eyebrow pencil that I use. I don't even know what the name of it is. I've had it so long. It's LA Colors. Again, cheap dollar store stuff, like I said. And all I do is just outline to match my hair, because my hair is black. It needs to be colored, but it's black. And I just put this on just to make my eyes have a little bit of color at the top, so they match my hair and I don't look silly with light brown eyebrows and dark hair. And then I do the other one like this. I'm not the best at doing makeup. I'm just starting out. So, with that being said, I just do the best I can with what I have for now. Trying to practice a little every day so that I can get better at it. And so far, you know, I wouldn't say that I'm good at it, but I'm trying. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this palette that my other niece gave me. My niece Alexis bought me this for Christmas. Came with these cool brushes, see? And this palette, it's called Impressed You Beauty Glazed. It's got a lot of different colors in it, see? And today I have this blue shirt that I'm wearing on, so I'm gonna use this blue color here and maybe a little bit of gold or yellow. I'm gonna try my best to see what I can work with. And I'm going to use this thin pencil so that I can get into the crease of my eyelid, which is really, really big crease. Right. Okay, so I don't know which color to start with first, but I'll start with yellow. I'll do this color. So I'm going to use this one right here. Kind of matches the shirt a little bit better. And I don't want to do it too yellow and dark. I'm not used to the dark eyeshadows, so yeah. And I'm just going to crease in my just a little. One thing I'm definitely not good at is liquid eyeliner. I suck at that. I cannot put a straight line on to save my life. So you probably will never see me do that. Only eyeliner I usually use is black. And I always put that like on my waterline. And that's usually about it. I'm not really experienced using the eyeshadows. I have a friend that uses eyeshadows and she does such a good job of blending her eyeshadows. Me, I don't even think I have a blending brush yet. Mine should be coming in the mail. Yeah, I don't have one. And I'm excited about getting that. So once that comes, I think I will be set. So for now, I just have to blend with what I got. Which, you know, I'm taking this little yellow, and I have like this goldish color, kind of blending. A little more on the side. Not the best, but you know, practicing every day makes perfect, I guess. You know, just trying to get a little feel. All right, now I'm going to use this same brush because it's really thin to try and do under my eye. Meanwhile, my eyes are watery. Oh. My eyes are all watery. I don't know why. All right. And I've never done this before. I've never really put eyeshadow down here. Never. It's the first time doing this, so it really doesn't. Can't really tell if I got it under there or not. Alrighty. Oh, this piece of mascara. First time, like I said, I'm not very good at this, so trying. Hopefully, the more practice, the better. Can't really see it. I should have used blue, but I really didn't want to do a darker color because then if something would have happened and I messed it up, then you'd see blue everywhere and I look like I have a black eye, so I just decided to use that. All right, so I have a little bit of blue. I didn't use a whole lot, and I used yellow, like a creamish color up at the top, but you probably really can't see on my complexion, which is fine. I don't really care. I'm just trying to get a feel of how to put it on. So I'm trying my best with what I have and what I know how to do. All right, next I'm going to pat myself dry here because I'm starting to sweat in this closed up bathroom. And I'm going to use my eyeliner, which is Wet n Wild. I have a whole bunch of different name stuff. And all I do is I apply this to my waterline. Right, just about done with this. I always add some like to the edge of the lashes, the base, so that way they don't look. All right, that's my eyeliner. And then I like to add on the lipstick, or my lip gloss rather. Girl boss. Yeah, that would be me. All right, so I'm not very big on lip gloss, honestly, or lipstick. But I do have this little duo, which is another LA Colors. It's a lipstick lip gloss combo, which is really nice, but Honestly, I've never used it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna apply the lipstick. I'm waiting for my plumper to come in. I can't wait to get that. I'm so excited. I usually don't wear this color. And I'm also waiting for my other palettes to come in, like my highlighter powder, with my bronzer, and all of those things that I can use. So this color is called Twinkle. Go figure. All right, and then I'm gonna use the lip gloss. Smells like bubble gum. Just to give it a little shine. So I did a thing, and I started my own, I guess what you would say, like call a business. I started a business with makeup. Of course, it's called Farmacy. I am super excited about it. I've never really been big on makeup because I never knew really how to do it. I just did what I could with what I have. But I'm excited about it because it's going to teach me, hopefully, how to do my makeup better. And I'm excited about that, so I will keep you all posted on that anyway. So yeah, I'm basically done my look for the day. It's not over the top. I really just wanted to play around with it and just try to do my first video, which is now 17 minutes long. So yeah, I just wanted to play around with it and just let everyone know that I did do a thing with the Farmacy. I will be telling you all more about that later. Until then, if you watched the video, that's great. I really appreciate it. And just look for more videos, hopefully soon. And thanks for watching. Bye.